Welcome to Brain Vision.
A rhombus has the same area as a square with a 4 centimetre diagonal. If one of the diagonals is 2 centimetres in length, find the length of the other diagonal. We are told that a square and a rhombus are equal in area. Remember, squares and rhombuses are both quadrilaterals with 4 equal sides. In a square, all the interior angles are right angles, whilst this isn't the case for rhombuses in general. We are told that the diagonal of the square, which is the line segment connecting opposite vertices, is 4 centimetres long. One diagonal of the rhombus is 2 centimetres long, and the length of the other diagonal is what we're required to calculate. We'll label the length of the second diagonal of the rhombus as d2 centimetres. As we're told that these two quadrilaterals have the same area, we need to recall how to calculate the area of each. The area of a rhombus is equal to half the product of the lengths of its diagonals. We can express this as area of rhombus equals a half d1 multiplied by d2. We can't work this out because we don't know the value of d2, so let's consider the square. The area of a square is of course equal to its side length squared. But a square is also a special type of rhombus, in which the two diagonals are of equal length. So, using the letter d to represent the length of each diagonal of the square, we have the formula area of square equals a half d squared. We know the diagonal of this square is 4 centimetres, so we can substitute this value to give that the area of the square is equal to a half multiplied by 4 squared. That's a half multiplied by 16, which is 8, and the units for this area are square centimetres. We now know that the area of the rhombus is also 8 square centimetres. We can substitute this value and the value 2 for the length of the first of the rhombus's diagonals to give an equation we can solve to find the length of the second diagonal. That equation is 8 equals a half multiplied by 2 multiplied by d2, and remember d2 represents the length of the second diagonal. 1 half multiplied by 2 is simply 1, so the equation simplifies to 8 equals d2. We've therefore found that the length of the other diagonal of the rhombus is 8 centimetres.